Now to the stock market plunge on Wall Street. Trade fears and trade wars and fears of a slowing economy send the major markets into a nosedive.
The Dow lost 623 points. Trading late in the session did erase part of the 745-point drop earlier in the day. A 75-point decline for the S&P. The Nasdaq tumbled 239 points, a loss of 3%. CBS 2's Dick Brennan reports now on the reasons for the stock slide.
The market reacted to President Trump unleashing a torrent of tweets on China, writing in part, "Our great American companies are hereby ordered to immediately start looking for an alternative to China. And I am ordering all carriers, including FedEx, Amazon, UPS, and the Post Office, to search for and refuse all deliveries of fentanyl from China or anywhere else." Mr. Trump is furious that China threatened tariffs on $75 billion worth of U.S. products in retaliation to his latest round of tariffs. China says the tariff hikes will roll out in two waves of 10% and 5% starting September 1st and again in December. Traders are worried that the ongoing trade war could push the weakening global economy into recession.
The market is fragile, and I think we're going to continue to see that a little bit.
In a speech, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell stopped short of sending a clear signal on the future of interest rate cuts, something the president has been demanding. The president unloaded once again on Powell. In a tweet, he compared him to the president of China, writing, "My only question is, who is our bigger enemy, Jay Powell or Chairman Xi?"
We're really only a tweet away from a up or down movement. It's causing people to stand in the sidelines when making a decision whether to really be all in on the market.
Earlier this month, the Trump administration announced a 10% tariff on an additional $300 billion in Chinese imports in an effort to get China to reach a trade deal.
We will be taxing the hell out of China. That's all there is.
Late in the day before the market closed, the president joked about it being down, saying the Dow is down 573 points, perhaps on the news that Representative Seth Moulton, whoever that may be, has dropped out of the 2020 presidential race. Now, as for those tweets ordering businesses to do things, Trump's close ally, Senator Lindsey Graham, says, of course, he knows he can't do that. And that's just the president, what he calls being over the top. The president departs for the G7 summit in France tonight, and who knows what could happen there.
Like a little arms race going on.
Very much so.
Major ramifications.
Yes.
Dick, thank you.
Thank you, Dick.